Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Taz Shiko. You're so very much welcome. Kindly hit that subscribe button if you've not, and if you have, thank you so much. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Also give this video a thumbs up because it helps me a lot. So on today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a simple first lunch date on a weekday makeup tutorial. So stick around and watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's slide, jump, or walk into the video. So I'm going to start off by fixing this hair situation because I'm not loving how this is looking. So I'm going to use this eco styling gel and use very little product and just do what I got to do, because I'm not a hair guru, but we have to do this. So I'm just using this jolly comb to just lay the hair flat. And after that, I'm now doing a bun and my edges. And now I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me finishing powder to minimize the oils around my brow area because I have some. And then now I'm going to line my eyebrow. And I'm using Davis eyebrow pencil in the number 003. So I'm just outlining my eyebrow, and I don't want something dramatic. I just want the same shape of my eyebrows. So I'm just following the exact shape of my eyebrows. I love my eyebrows a little bit thick, so just a little bit thick. So that's what I'm going to do. And now I'm doing the other brow. And I'm using the same Davis eyebrow pencil in the number 003 to outline. And if you don't know how to do your eyebrows, I have a very detailed video on that. I'll link it on the description box. And now I'm just filling in my eyebrow. And I'm using the same Davis eyebrow pencil in the number 003. And after that, now I'm going to use this Illegal Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to clean up my eyebrow on the bottom part. So I'm using an angled brush for this. And then I'm just going to do the same on the other brow. After that, now I'm going to use this Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, which is a very, very good primer. It helps your makeup last longer. And I just applied it around my T-zone area, and then I'm going to spread that all over my face. For foundation today, I'm going to use this Fit Me in the shade 360 Mocha Mocha. I've not used this foundation for 3 months now, or past 3 months now, and I just realized that it's almost finished. So let's use it today. It's a very good foundation. It's very full coverage, and if you know me, you know I love full coverage foundations because I just want to hide my sins down there. My dark spots, my everything, I just want to hide them. So that's why I love full coverage foundation. Always take your time to blend in the foundation. I'm using a damp beauty blender for this. Always take your time to blend. Whatever you are blending, be it foundation, be it concealer, be it eyeshadow, just take your time with blending. Blending is everything. Now I'm going to use a Legal Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to highlight. I'm not using too much product, but just enough. And now I'm going to blend that using the same beauty blender that I used with my foundation, and just blend. And now after that, I'm going to use this Fit Me finishing powder, the same one that I used on my eyebrow area, to just set the highlighted areas. Now I'm going to use this palette. This is the Cara Beauty palette, and I'm going to use that color to just contour. It's not as dark as I would wish it to be, but I'm just going to make it work. So now I'm going to use e.l.f. eyeliner on my eyes, and I don't want something dramatic, I just want something simple, so I'm just going to achieve that. And now after that, I'm going to apply my mascara. I'm not going to apply any falsies today or any eyeshadow today, so that's just it, because I just wanted something simple. I didn't want to use too many products. I just wanted to use just a few products. Yes, because this is a beginner friendly makeup tutorial. And now on my lips, I'm going to start off by this Davis eyebrow pencil. I just love using the pencil because I don't love to overline, so that gives me a guideline. And now I'm going to use a lipstick, and the lipstick I'm using is from Maybelline. It's by Maybelline. And then after that, I'm going to use this lippy from Milani. It's in the shade Amore. And now I'm going to apply this gold eyeliner on my tear duct, because I didn't apply my eyeshadow. It will make the eye pop a little bit more. And now for setting spray, I'm going to use this City Color setting spray to set my makeup, and that's just it. This is the final look. This is how I look. It's very simple but still looks glam. It's very simple and glam. So I have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching.